this set of telecommunication providers: AT&T, BT, Colt, Equinox, Level 3, Orange Business Services, Tata Communication Services, Telstra, Verizon, and Vodafone, to make sure that the express route product is called, that they have between and can offer to customers that connects the customer edge with Office 65 will be at the specification that is prone for real-time communication, where the speed of light of the network can be managed and looked at from our customers and being able to really deliver that throughout the world. Now, we're going to go next in this journey. We're going to deliver Skype for Business in Office 65. By the way, last week, actually last Wednesday, we have communicated to all customers of Office 65 that the Lync client is being replaced to Skype for Business. And we've actually given IT the ability to control that rollout and to turn the new UI off or on so that they have complete control in how they manage that rollout within the organization. And now we're expanding it. And we're going to innovate more and more in the future. We're going to deliver 3 additional services in Office 65. We're going to deliver enterprise voice, audio conferencing, and PSTN calling. Starting from the summer in the US, we're going to have all these 3 services in tech preview. Enterprise voice will be actually a worldwide offering that allows customers to connect the on-prem trunking with Office 65 that they use for telephony with Office 65, so that the voice calls can be managed in the cloud while the connectivity to the trunking is still done on-prem. Audio conferencing and PSTN calling will be native services of Office 65 moving forward as delivered by our service. And so this is what you will expect and what you will see us deliver on. We've delivered now Skype for Business. We're going to make the cloud even better. Office 65 is the cloud that we will bet on, of course, and make better in the future. And we're going to be working with telecommunication providers and with our partners to deliver a great network that can be ready for real-time media and can be used by organizations worldwide with a full-blown communication services as a back-end that customers can use and deploy. Now, I want to talk for a few minutes about meetings. It is something that I know I personally spend a lot of time on. Many of the customers that I interface with, many of the people that I work with or that I spend time with at home, spend a lot of time in meetings. And we believe there's a lot that can be done to make meetings a lot more productive and even better than what they have. They are still, you know, the experience, even in organizations that have spent money and time to make meetings more productive and meeting rooms better, it's still too complicated. You still have to come in as a user, probably need to know what you're doing, how you're doing it. You need to connect different systems together. We want to make that simple and really take the 50 million spaces that we see worldwide in corporate America and in all offices worldwide, make them better and make them more efficient. And so what we're going to deliver is what we call Skype Room System, which is taking the Skype UI and making them available on a variety of different hardware products so that natively the experience of Skype can come to those products. We're working with Polycom, Creston, and Smart. Smart is actually here at the conference. I've seen them before. Take their technology, have what Lync in the past and in the future Skype, being able for you as an end user to come into a room, recognize the user interface, have a Skype for Business client natively running on this hardware, and being able to join a meeting really, really quickly and securely. And so that's what we're doing. We also announced a deeper relationship with Polycom. One of the things that we wanted to do was to provide a full portfolio of products where the hardware and the service are almost designed together to provide the incredible integration that goes behind just, hey, we're working together, but truly products that are designed together. And so with Polycom, we're building a variety of different product portfolios. And we just announced what we call the Polycom Roundtable 100, which is a sub $1,000 US dollars. Don't know what the price will be in pounds. So, that will be, it's totally optimized for Skype for Business, no IT required, natively a Windows version embedded, runs on the device. Skype for Business, you can plug it in, you plug in your ID for Office 65, and you will be starting a meeting within minutes that you have set this up. So you can see that we're bringing a lot of innovation here. We're bringing it through partners. We're also doing something directly. I don't know how many of you have seen this Windows 10 announcement. we have in that announcement talked about a device that's called the Surface Hub. We thought that there is a lot of innovation here that we wanted to leapfrog, to build, to give our customers, and to show the industry what can be done. Really taking rooms and spaces and the way people interact with hardware devices in the room at a different level, an unprecedented level. And Skype Hub is basically our product that's now in technical preview. It's been beta, basically, very tight beta. It will come available this summer. And it's the ability to basically touch the screen, have a video media conferencing, have OneNote, write, pen, two 4K cameras that give a panoramic view to the users that are basically logging in into the meetings. Even they can see the person that's actually writing on the board. It's a complete different experience than anything you have tried in terms of VTCs and video conferencing services. And I don't have a demo with me because it's a little bit heavy. It comes in 55 inches and 84 inches, several different sizes. But I want to show you a little video that hopefully can give you a sense of what this device does, it can do for you. It's only 90 seconds, so it should be quick. Hopefully, it will run this time.
We want every meeting to be great, where things just click, where ideas flow and work gets done. The problem is, technology hasn't been designed for the way we want to work together, until now. With Microsoft Surface Hub, you can unlock the power of the group. You can walk up and share your ideas on a canvas as big as your imagination. You can touch the data you need to make key decisions on the spot. And anyone can pick up a pen to help drive the conversation. It's a platform that brings the tools you rely on to the center of the discussion and lets you interact in new ways. Whenever you need, you can bring the right person into a critical session. Meetings become more engaging and productive, and you can take your ideas with you when you leave the room. So make every meeting great. Introducing Microsoft Surface Hub. Unlock the power of the group.
All right. So, to finish, and we're almost out of time, so I will give you just a quick sense rather than going through the slides. The things to remember: we're now releasing Skype for Business, part of Office 65, changing now as part of Office 65, delivering a service this month. The client and the new client is already out. Brings together the best of Skype, the best of Lync. Hopefully will give users in organizations the ability to interact with systems in an unprecedented way, for organizations to connect with others that are outside the boundaries of their organizations, their customers and suppliers, through the Skype network in an unprecedented way, while retaining, for IT, the ability to control and manage it. It's the new platform that we're going to be building on for Microsoft. We're going to be betting on Office 65 in the cloud and hybrid solutions in the future. And we'll deliver, working with our partners, great solutions for meeting spaces and great cloud telephony and meeting solutions as part of Office 65. Thank you very much, and enjoy the day here. And I really, really appreciated your time with me today.